Beetroots are extremely healthy and can help with these 13 health problems. Beetroot, or also known as beet, is a superfood that can provide incredible effects in the treatment of various health problems. Beetroot is an excellent source of different nutrients, such as betaine, nitrites, sodium, flavonoids, chlorine, calcium, iodine, magnesium, zinc, and vitamins A, B6, and C. It is a potent antioxidant and it doesn't contain fats. Moreover, this vegetable is packed with glycine, lutein, zeaxanthin, carotenoids, potassium, and folic acid. Due to its content of chlorine, beetroot can reduce allergy symptoms. Furthermore, it maintains the health of the gallbladder and kidneys. This vegetable can treat sleep problems, diabetes, weak immunity, hypertension, anemia, and atherosclerosis. Health benefits of beetroot. 1. Cures anemia and iron deficiency. This vegetable is an excellent source of iron and it can treat iron deficiency and anemia. Moreover, it creates red blood cells. 2. Improves the blood flow. Due to their high content of nitrates, beets have the ability to improve the blood flow in the brain. In fact, the change to nitric oxide stimulates the blood flow. 3. Lowers the blood pressure. Beets are packed with nitrates that can create higher amounts of nitric oxide in the blood and lower the blood pressure. 4. Better mental health and mood. Beets contain betaine and tryptophan, compounds that can improve the mental health. Betaine cures depression while tryptophan calms the mind. 5. Detoxification of the liver. Due to their content of betaine, beets can keep the health of the liver. 6. Treatment and prevention of cancer. Beetroot juice keeps the health of the cells. It gives the cells beta-cyanin, which is red pigment. What is more, it destroys tumors and cancerous cells. 7. No birth defects. Beets are packed with folic acid and high amounts of folate. Hence, pregnant women are recommended to consume beets moderately. 8. Healthy muscles. Beet juice can significantly improve the strength of the muscles. It is scientifically shown that beet juice can accelerate the recovery process of the muscles and lower muscle soreness. 9. Eliminates inflammation. Beets possess potent antioxidant properties and can keep the health of the immune system and eliminate inflammation. 10. Treats constipation. Beet juice can boost the metabolism and stimulate the digestion. 11. PMS and menopause. Beets have iron which can stimulate the production of red blood cells. Hence, beet juice is excellent for treating menopause and PMS symptoms. 12. Improves the skin condition. Beets contain folate which has the ability to slow down the process of aging. It keeps your skin smooth and healthy, and prevents acne. Moreover, it eliminates wrinkles and blemishes. 13. Improves the health of the brain and prevents from dementia. Beet juice is packed with nitrates which give more stamina and increase the ability of the brain to fight dementia by 16%, thus improving the health of the brain. Side effects of the beetroot juice. Make sure to consume beetroots in moderation because they contain oxalates which in high amounts can prevent the absorption of calcium. This can lead to kidney stones. Due to the pigments of the beet, you may experience dark color of the stool. The excessive consumption of beetroot can change the color of your urine, making it pink. However, this is normal.